Welcome back to Break Time. Today we are finishing up World War I on 100 Years of Tanks. Welcome back to Break Time, everybody, and as promised, we're finishing up 100 Years of Tank during World War I, and the last tank to build will be the Schneider CA by Hobby Boss. That's correct. Schneider CA 1/35th scale by Hobby Boss will be our last build for World War I. Now this tank is the last of World War I, and I chose this one because I only wanted to build tanks that were actually used during World War I, or at least a little bit. There was tons of experimental tanks that were used, and it wasn't until later on that we started seeing, when the French Renault came out, that we started seeing tanks that actually look like modern day tanks today. Before that, we were seeing these big giant boxes that were used to transport men and supplies through the trench warfare. Now, we end the trench warfare during World War I, and actually towards the end of World War I, we got rid of trench warfare, and we brought the battle out to the main field. Now, as we enter into World War II, we're going to start seeing a lot of different styles of tanks, but before then, we're going to finish building this last tank, and it was a doozy. And I have to tell you that I did not do the track system on this Hobby Boss kit, because Hobby Boss did nothing but disappoint me when it came to this track system. But I had other ideas in my head, and I went through with it, and I hope you like this build.